don't have a Jacob's chuck or a long handle, so what I'm going to use is a drill bit and some pliers. Works for me anyway. I imagine it's relatively straight. Now we'll go to the forstner bit and hopefully it'll follow that trail. I don't need a very deep hole, it's just a hard base. This might take a while. At the bottom of the hole here, I'm going to make my little vase. Just doing a little touch up here before I do any sanding. Looks to have gotten it. Beautiful grain on this crab apple. Beautiful. And it is sopping wet. There is still moisture coming out of here like crazy. Still a couple tool marks, but geez, I can sand those ones out. That's looking good. Okay, I'm going to start sanding at about 120, I think, but I am not going to do that on camera. There we go. Got it sanded up to 600 now, 600 grit. Still got a little bit of tear out on there. Tiniest bit, some tool marks that I'm not too crazy about. But, you know what? This is a weed pot or a bud vase, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to worry about it too much. It's not even going to get finished. It's just going to stay in its natural state. I'm not going to wax it or oil it or anything. I'm just going to let it bend and warp and do whatever the hell it wants to do. But it's just got some beautiful grain in there. I guess I did get most of the tooling marks out and everything, so I'm not too worried about it. It looks really nice. Okay, alright. Tool rest. Give it a spin. Beautiful as I need it to be. there we have it. Completed bud vase. Or weed pot. Whatever you want to call it. Crabapple wood. Love that stuff. Love the grain. It's absolutely beautiful. Maybe when it dries I'll put some polyurethane on it. But right now, I like it. Quite happy with how it turned out.